Welcome to Flavours of Genoa, where we discover the culinary tradition of the city, one bite at a time. Drogheria. There is no exact English word for that. Part grocery store, part spice shop, part household goods store. These shops were the doors of the world inside Genova. Everything from everyday necessities to exotic goods passed through the shelves of this place, showing how Genova was the most important port city in the Mediterranean Sea. Before supermarket existed, every neighborhood relied on its local drogheria. These shops supplied products that people could not produce at home, alongside countless items needed for daily life. Coffee and tea, spices and soaps, candles, herbs, and household goods. All the sense of the world seems to gather inside a single shop. Their shelves reflected Genova itself, a city built on commerce, ships, and connection, stretching across the Mediterranean Sea and beyond. Founded in 1888, Drogheria Torielli is one of the few examples of very old, traditional Genovese drogheria. Walking through the shop is like stepping into another century. But the drogheria was never just a place to buy things. It was a place, and still is, where people exchange recipes, sought advice, and discover unfamiliar ingredients. Much of that knowledge traveled from one customer to the other, queuing for their turn, but also through the expertise of the shopkeepers themselves, who helped generations of Genovese cooks bring new flavors into their kitchens. Not all drogherie focus primarily on food. In some, the stars are soaps, perfumes, and traditional products for personal care and the home. Many belong to a world that is rapidly disappearing. Handcrafted soaps, old remedies, and household products that were once part of everyday life in Genova. Sometimes these shops were known as Coloniali. The word comes from colonies, which refer to goods that comes from overseas due to the maritime trades. For centuries, merchants unloaded these goods in the port, and stores like Coloniali brought them into everyday life. Hidden among the narrow streets of the old town, there are drogherias that reminds us that these places were never luxury destinations. They were neighborhood institutions, serving generations of residents and becoming part of daily life. Stepping inside is like entering a small piece of living history. These are the shops I really fond of, and we visit them during my food tours, and also I have a list of them in my Genova food guide. So if you want to discover Genova also from this point of view of the tiny groceries, have a look at them. Ciao! A small kitchen in Genoa, recipes and food stories in the Italian Riviera.